Line chart, basically line chart is used to show the trend of a continuous variable over the time period. So if you want to see the sales of any particular firm over the time period, then it is the best option to use the line chart. So it will show you that in a particular month or a particular year, your sales are increasing or decreasing. So similarly, you can also track down the prices of any commodity that over the time period any particularly commodity price is increasing or decreasing. So for the labeling option for x-axis, you have to take the continuous scale. Most of the time we are taking the time variable on the x-axis, and for y-axis we are taking the numerical values. So if you have data of month and sales, so a month will be on x-axis and sales will be on y-axis, that is numerical value. And for legends, you have multiple series, and for marker, that is an additional option. If you want to on it, then you can simply do it by here, and then you can also add a secondary y-axis. So here you can see that we have two lines over here. For x-axis, we have taken the continuous variable, that is time. We have taken the time here on x-axis, and for y-axis we have taken the numerical value, that is interest rate. So we have two lines over here for this shown of the two categories. We have used the legends. So one is for the light blue is for female, and the dark blue is for male, and you can see that it is showing us the trend over time. When you look at 2011, it is at highest level, and in 2018 it is lowest, and again it is showing an increasing trend. So basically line chart is used to show the trend of any particular variable over the period of time.